Machita sancokola bafethu ilanga liphumile namhlanje ingathi izophuma le winter. I-fixtures ze-PSL ziphumile izolo. Sidala siphela silindile bachita. Abanye bethu beqala utyeba, abanye bethu beqala ukwenza iziphumo emacaleni because ngoba intoni ibhola benqabile, ibhola ingekho. Bone ngoLwezibini nangoLwezithathu ebusuku ubukela ezinye izinto uqombe yangoku. Zawuthina kho bhola nanga weekend ngejambile bone. But PSL yabuya machita. I think ngoku sheke 21 or 20 days from ngoku bamayiqala imatch yokuqala. Sundowns izoba away to Sekhukhune United. Sundowns i-champions zoqala abe Friday ngala day. But ke le video sithetha nge-fixtures zokuqala eziyi-5 ze-Orlando Pirates. The first 5 games is the Buccaneers, Orlando Pirates, the Sea Robbers. Amabhakabhaka bone xhomeka uba uyibiza ntoni Pirates. Not abantu abaninzi khange bayibone le information yabo, but bone yafa ngathi exclusive kancane le way. Because singabanye eyibone siyaqoqa, bone xa si-online siyaqoqa into ezininzi yabo. So most abantu babone nje i-match ezoba ngala opening weekend ye-4th, 5th ne-6th. 4th Friday, 5th Mgqibelo nange-6th Sunday. But ke if uthanda izinto uyaqoqa kakhulu ufana nam ngibonile ke ngoku i-fixtures eziyi-5 ze-Pirates, the first 5 games ze-Orlando Pirates. I-team ezoba i-team to watch kule season ngaphandle kwe-Sundowns. Bone Pirates bichisa last season, and then next season izoba even stronger. Bone azobopha aqine even more Orlando Pirates next season. Ngike ndayenza video ngalo way last week. If ufuna uzithola ngayo banithini pha and uthini Pirates izobopha kule season, ungajonga pha kule timeline le channel. But before singene apha kulezi 5 fixtures Orlando Pirates ne-predictions, if aqala ukuba ne-channel le-content wesenzayo apha machita, ungalali jo, cofa subscribe, khona indawo ezantsi bhale subscribe, uzazithola videos. So machita, Orlando Pirates first 5 games the season plus ne-predictions. Before ndingene apha kwezi fixtures, there is no one predictile apha because akhulu lo predict yabo. But ke bona thina singabantu bebhola sithanda ukwenza ngasazazi izinto, sibona sithanda but it's part of ibhola mosibona so predict bakho izokwenza ngantoni. Nangona siyazi ba siyazi uzokwenza ngantoni, but bona lo isithanda ibhola ngoba bona yes surprise. But you never know uzokwenza ngantoni ebholeni, but bona sikwazi nje uzama inhlahle, try luck ba okay sichaza ba okay izokwenza ngantoni. But you never know what's going to happen in football. But bona predictions iwekhoyo, bona iculture le esi-sport sethu sithandayo, culture ye-disc, bona upredict. So first 5 games Orlando Pirates oqala i-Pirates izoqala endleleni, bona machita azokhwela eplanini, akhwele ngasebhasini, aye hotele, adlale away first match. Azoba Western Cape, bona Stellenbosch futhi ayikho se-Cape Town machita. But okay, most abantu bathanda ukuthi Stellenbosch e-Cape Town. Stellenbosch ayikho se-Cape Town, but ke it's a Western Cape, but very close to Cape Town. Bone, it's a town outside Ikapa. Yeah. So it's a Western Cape, not exactly Cape Town, Orlando Pirates. Final away uthi ba Ilanuza. Ilawe King Williamstown is Ilanuza. It's a King Williamstown is a Mount. But it's King Williamstown is Eastern Cape, but I could say East London. Ik feature East London, yabo. So if final away game ukuthi Stellenbosch Cape Town, yabo. Okanye uthi ba riding esin when is black as Gauteng, is towns Gauteng, oma Binoni, oma uthi Binoni mhlawumbe sise-Johannesburg, ikho se-Johannesburg. Okanye uthi Pretoria ise-Johannesburg, ise-Gauteng but ikho se-Johannesburg, yabo. But ke machita skolap, but Stellenbosch Western Cape but not Cape Town. And all the parties is Western Cape. And then igala Stellenbosch FC first game Orlando Pirates nge 5 August. Because it's called Martina sitting a 5th, ball sitting a 5. Pirates igala Stellenbosch nge 5 August Mgqibelo. phansi kwezibani idlala ngo-8 ebusuku la match. First game Orlando Pirates for the season. Stellenbosch away. Try DC Gamla Stadium, Danny Craven. Try DC. Question marks about 18 games like DC because DC and bone last season Chiefs yapanze delays la DC Danny Craven Stadium because it was too big for, I mean, the crowd, the turnout, the fans zafika yapanze ngenamatikiti, it was too much. And then Stellenbosch decided by was not pinning the Kaizer Chiefs up. Orlando Pirates is similar, but khona umehluko. Singathi masithe inyalo manje singabe siqoka kanye sibone sizama uqoselana apha basithi i-following ne-fans ze Orlando Pirates alingana neze Chiefs azilingani, but ke Pirates la season ibine success ebhaya first match season, so it turn out izoba groot, it turn out for the game, so I could say for by Stellenbosch it's a game at Danny Craven at DC because at DC it hosted 15,000, I think 15 to 18,000 capacity at DC. So ngenzeka ismoko. But ke Cape Town Stadium I call available for the weekend. Bonakala njalo I got confirmed, but the Cape Town Stadium I call available for the weekend because the team Cape Town City le idlala pha is home games. The first match yayo izadlala Athlone Stadium. I think that same day, ne? Yeah, igala same day, igala mini yona, Cape Town City. Igala at home to Polokwane City. Cape Town City, ayizudlala because ayikho available Cape Town Stadium. So singabe sithi bakhe hayi Stellenbosch mayise iPirates Cape Town Stadium. Cape Town Stadium abikho available. So maybe Stellenbosch forced for by say Pirates mayibe say Danny Craven. So the first game Pirates will part at Danny Craven Stadium. In terms of prediction, okay, yeah, Pirates kayichinjanga that much this season. Bone players needs signing contract ezintsha, squad sihleli phana, same technical team, so Pirates is about stronger this season than what they won next season. So therefore I predict win Orlando Pirates. Nangona as by big win, maybe it's a narrow score, maybe 2-1 or 3-2 or 1-0 or even 1-1, but yeah, I predict a win because born and funded classes in missing predicted draws, man. So yeah, Pirates is a winner game because Pirates were too strong and too confident right now. 2 league titles last season, finishing number 2, much that feel about Kiyajo and Azizo, that's his injury. So it was about too much for this Stellenbosch. But it's about a narrow score because born la pitch stadium, next stadium, but the pitch itself I call wide and I could big enough, but it's not one of the biggest pitches in the PSL, ila with Danny Craven. So sometimes the ball I game pan I was okay but compromised, yabo. But yeah, I sent it cool. Stellenbosch Pirates first game for away Pirates Stellenbosch, narrow win for Pirates. Second game Orlando Pirates is over at home Orlando. Obani yeah, team Kamamkize Royal AM is of visiting Orlando Pirates second game. Like game, yeah, giving the Pirates again should win because like Bonnie Royal AM, yeah, gala grand was a gala by Deppen and Chatworth. But the same much by Chatworth Stadium home game, yeah. But much time I was say Vaila at Travelisha with New Stadium, I got away of Nyabe man, Royal AM. And especially if it was on Yabel Orlando Pirates. I Pirates over Shire to Orlando. So even Lalui basically last season, I think the final 5 games Orlando Pirates last season, Pirates basically home roll AM and led by match on pa. So again, I could change Pirates win pa at home. And then I say third game Orlando Pirates, Eastern Cape, me buy at Kabeja, me visit Noni, Chippa United. Chippa Yashawe Pirates last season, not long ago. Was it the team that game? I think Pirates win a 2-0 or 2-1 launch, I think was scored a particular game. Chippa United, yeah, in the new signings, but okay, you team goes to watch Chippa and Machita, Craig Martin, Pagi Chippa. When you play start with Pirates, Pagi Chippa, or go figure pa. Or Augustine Mulenga. So yeah, okay, maybe Chippa yeah izoba select, especially for Orlando Pirates players because against into particular game, but still the Pirates izoba enough quality, ne big crowd. Born say Chippa, Chippa iba na crowd, but born kasi fike Pirates ban and fans the Pirates vele sigcwale Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium and then ijonga vele be ngathi vibrate stadium ezinye players Chippa vele zibande. So yeah, Pirates result for yona by winning that game again. And then third game Orlando Pirates izoba at home to Swallows, team entsha Steve Kompela. Steve Kompela yathanda udefender umjita uzayi-irritate Pirates pha uzotika bone. So that game yeah ingaba i-draw bone, andifuna Pirates nami ngisewinika too much ba okay jonga first 5 matches as winners zonke. So yeah uKompela uzovela ayidiki Pirates pha vela defend too much, defend deep, Pirates angakwazi penetrate. You are, but yeah, I would never predict 0-0 match because that's the worst fucking shit. You don't predict 0-0 if you turn the ball. So yeah, maybe say 1-1. Born Pirates ne riding Swallows Orlando. And then in the game Pirates is Orlando after the match Swallows, the game is Hlanu. Is about home to Cape Town City. Cape Town City ayinyabe kakhulu ke yona xa idlala away. Bone xa ye pha eJoburg ngabuza Kaizer Chiefs last season yafika win pha Cape Town City, and I think Pirates yadraw one Cape Town City Orlando last season if ngikhumbula kahle. But yeah, Cape Town City yathanda bone yalwa yayimele into yayo bone seyaxhathisa noba away. That's why team a top 5 team in South Africa ngo PSL up there with like outside the big 3. Cape Town City, SuperSport United, Cape Town City, that's why because there was away if you practice a million yayo much the total results. So masithenye draw napha eOrlando much dangathola draw pha eOrlando yabo. Andifuni Pirates uyishinisa kakhulu man, at least izoba grand, but anothi qala isizini bese sejonga ilanduza seyimtyibilezi manje yonke iweek seyavuma bone say at least kusezaba khona iwe nje kusengathi bone mavili ngathi okay ya seyashuma kancane yaqhunquza yabo because saqala isizini bone sazama uba methula la rhythm understand. So Cape Town City ngathola i-draw by Orlando against Orlando Pirates. So yeah, lezo 5 games zokuqala Orlando Pirates machita ezo le season. Uqala Stellenbosch away, Pirates awina pha narrow score maybe like a 2-1 or 1-0 or 3-2 I hope, because bone sifuna low sifuna goal bone not shame not yabo. Igame isibini izoba at home to Roll AM yanyaba away, Pirates awina la game. Igame esithathu Pirates away to Chippa. Pirates izoba na too much quality, but I think izoba entertaining la match. I think izoba yona game entertaining go 5 matches zoqala Orlando Pirates bone se Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium bone big crowd memela Chippa, Craig Martin Chippa, uba nomnye no Augustine Mulenga Chippa bone izawubila phakula game bone. I think looking forward to la match. After the game Swallows at home Orlando izoba imatch izokoma man la match ama Steve Kompela andiyo fan yakhe manje, at least if inwana ndiva ngoba Steve Kompela ngathi okay bone andiyo fan yakhe and enjoy ibhola kaKompela mna machita. So yeah, la match izoba imatch omileyo le Pirates ne Swallows eOrlando, match esine Pirates, and then match ehlanu Pirates in the first 5 games izoba at home to Cape Town City. Izoba a tight game because it's ebone Cape Town City mayingomaqatha iyakwazi umile into yayo noba idlala away, so izoba i-draw. Nina machita nizibona njani predictions na le first 5 games Orlando Pirates senza lo play channel bona ndazi yonke into apha. So nani manje ndiyafuna ukuvulokeni nicanga ntoni ibona njani ezinye izinto bone nami ndibona ngendlela bone ngasoloko ndicimfana okay yayo ndaziwe yonke iwe. Abanye abantu abazinto bone seyibhola le bone ibhola i-round bone seyinca bone i-green and then seyibala li-flat. So bone never really know what's gonna happen okanye khona enye iwe into uyibonileyo mekhange ndiyibone understand. So apha i-comments manje thethani bone ibona njani nicanga ntoni ngezi games i-5 ze-Orlando Pirates. First 5 games Stellenbosch away, Roll AM home, Chippa United away, Swallows home, Cape Town City home. Otherwise amfeqa ukuthi bana channel nale content ungalali jo ezantsi kwindawo bhale subscribe uncofa pha kuye uzothola ii-videos ngotsho bafethu.